Now, Chief Meteorologist Nikki-Dee with KLBK's first warning weather.
We are so incredibly thankful for all the rainfall we have received over the past several days. But of course, with all this rainfall, we are still dealing with the cleanup behind it all. Take a look at the rainfall totals just over the past few days. This is June 6th through the 9th. We're talking about over 2.5 inches in Dimmitt, Toya just a little, very close to 2 1/4. Then you head to the Hub City at the International Airport where we are over 1 inch. All of this adding to our rain totals, and we desperately need it now for the year as a whole in the Hub City. We're close to 7 inches. Just a bit ago, we were trying to have 1 inch, and now we've been blessed with tons of it. Take a look what's happening right now outside. We are now seeing some nice conditions being pushed across the South Plains. As far as any clouds or rain clouds, we're completely clear. Just a lot of sunshine being pushed through, and along with that sun, we are dealing with, of course, those West Texas winds. We had a cold front push through earlier on. We all know about it. A lot of us woke up to several inches of rain just outside of our doorstep. Now that cold front has shifted off towards the south and east, really causing quite a squall line. And all that severe weather is now continuing to strengthen. They're all under a tornado watch until the early morning hours. We know that song and dance a little too well, especially over the past several days. Temperatures right now, we're coming in 77 degrees in the Hub, 83 in Midland. Check out South Texas, where we are right around that 90-degree mark. And if you're a little jealous because you're like, okay, we're springing into summer, but we're in the 70s, don't worry. That West Texas heat will be back before you know it. So enjoy your backyard weather right now. We've got the milder temperatures to the north where we are right around that 70-degree mark, and then down to the south we are flirting with those mid-70s right around that 80-degree mark. All in all, wonderful evening, a great evening actually to be on your back porch enjoying some time outside. The winds, on the other hand, you want to make sure that everything's tied down while you're hanging out outside. We've got those winds coming in out of the north around 20 to 25 miles per hour, pushing in definitely a skirt alert across the South Plains. And these winds are going to stick around with us over the next few hours. They will begin to lighten up as we go further into the overnight hours. And then you watch as we head further into Wednesday, where winds are going to shift out of the south. So we're going to be drawing in quite a bit of heat, around 15 to 20 miles per hour throughout the overnight hours. And then we head further into the evening where they will begin to have a westerly component. So you know what that means? Drier conditions are pushing across the South Plains as we head further into our Wednesday and then overnight into Thursday. This is going to be one of those evenings you want to let the kiddos know they may wake up to a little noise outside. We will be dealing with those wind speeds sticking around with us and holding on tight. And then we head on into Thursday where another cold front pushes through. We could be dealing with another shot of rainfall across the South Plains. But in the immediate time, we're dealing with crystal clear skies. So temperatures will go down overnight and definitely warm back up by the afternoon hours tomorrow because we will be seeing so much sunshine. But heading further into Wednesday evening, we've got another shot of seeing some isolated showers. Right now, you know, it's a big blob. It's just not really giving us that detailed information as far as where and when we will see it. It's looking to be off into the rolling plains. And of course, some of this could turn severe at times, giving us high winds and large pieces of hail again. But we're always welcoming that rainfall across the South Plains. And we head further into our week where things are going to begin to spice up a bit, where we could see another shot by the weekend. Tomorrow, here's what we're looking at. 53 degrees for the low. We get up to 86 by the afternoon. We head into the region where those winds are going to be out of the north around 10 to miles per hour. We head further into our Wednesday. We will get all the way up to 96 degrees with a slight chance of rain thanks to that cold front. And then we head further into Friday where we have another shot of seeing some isolated showers. But check out these temperatures. We really warm back up. We're talking about flirting with that 100-degree mark going further into the next several days, especially into the weekend. And as far as tomorrow is concerned, it's going to be one of the coolest mornings that we have seen in quite some time and will see for quite some time. But I do have to point out, I got a little distracted. My dress is king out on the chroma key wall. Just a little bit. Not too bad. But you know what? We have to have some sunshine and support the sun.
That's right.
When it's out and shining bright.
Yeah, we do. A lot of fun. Thanks a lot, Nikki-Dee. Coming up next on your